Well, my best friend forever, it happened again. I got another flat tire. Now, this has happened to me a couple times this week. I got one today on my cart, and then the other day I had one on the front wheel of my lawnmower. And the reason for this is because of this horrible season I call fall. Now, technically it's late summer, but the nights are chilly and the days are hot. And I don't care how many people tell me how beautiful it is this time of year, I hate this season. So anyway, the tires go flat because the pressure inside the tire is changing, and when you put a heavy load on it, and they come off the rim. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix these small tires on your carts, your mowers, or whatever you do. Very simple, very easy, very quick, using a screwdriver and some rope. Yeah, this rope. Feels soft on my face. Alright, so for the cart, it's going to be really easy. All I have to do is get this rope underneath the tire. So it doesn't matter what tire you're trying to fix, you need to get the rope underneath the tire. For the cart, I can just lift it up and put it on the rope. For the zero turn, like the front tire, I just sort of put it up in front and pull it through. Now, you have to use a rope for this trick. You have to get it over top. And the reason why you need the rope is you need pressure. You need something pushing down on that tire. Because if I try to put air in that tire right now where it's sitting on that rim like that, it's just going to blow the air out. You can't do it like that. It ain't gonna work real nice like. So I need to get my air compressor. Now, the air compressor does not have to be the most powerful air compressor in the world, but you do need something with a little bit of oomph. Those portable ones, they might work okay, but I like to use something with a little bit of, a little something. Now, again, this isn't gonna work. I gotta tighten that rope down. How am I gonna do it? Well, this is where my screwdriver's gonna come in. Now, I don't care how you do it, but you gotta do it. You gotta tie this thing in sort of like a knot, right? And once you get this thing around the tire and tie it in a knot, you gotta get your screwdriver and put it through, and then you're gonna twist this thing down. You're gonna apply the pressure of the tire down onto the rim. So you're spinning that screwdriver like such, and that's adding pressure, pushing down on the rim so the air will not escape, my friends. Now, you might run into one issue with this. There's no air in the tire, so the stem that you're trying to put the air into, well, it might try to push up on the inside like such when you're doing that. So don't worry about it. Get a little bit more pressure on that, and then that'll stay put. Now, you can see what I had done here was I positioned my screwdriver up in there so I could hold that stem, and then just put a little bit of air in it. And once you get just like a little bit of air in there, just a little bit of air in there, it's gonna puff up. You don't have to worry about that stem going in no more. That, my friends, well, that's real nice. Like, now, once you get a little bit of air in there, and you don't have to worry about the air coming out, escaping around the rim, you don't want to keep pumping up. You just want a little bit of air, and then you remove that rope and that screwdriver, and then once you do that, you're going to be able to add the rest of your air. Now, as far as it goes with this, again, all you need is the air compressor, the screwdriver, and the rope. And I went and put the air in the other tire on the other side, so I don't have to worry about this. I should just not be so lazy and check my air pressure every once in a while, or just add air if I see that it's lower, so I don't have to worry about this. But yeah, this has been an issue in the fall for me, like every single year. Will it work on UTV tires and bigger tires and such? Well, I guess you're going to need more than just a screwdriver. I mean, it works great on the front tires on your zero turns or the back tires on your mowers, whatever. But, truck tires, stuff like that, you're going to need something a little better than this. So that's how you fix a flat tire with a screwdriver. And if you want to see more videos like this, well, you know what to do. Back with more videos soon.